Alright guys, welcome to the video of the YouTube video. And so I want to do the whole thing where Mr. Carlson goes, we'll go through this together. Okay, so I do have this one that wouldn't turn on. So I have this guy, this oscilloscope right there, the leader oscilloscope right there, leader 1021. But I have this one. You can look at it, and I have another one. So the other one that's in the garage is at the family's garage is a lot better than these two. Like, I mean, it just looks more impressive. Okay, so I have it plugged in, and I don't have the I know you guys are like, no, don't do any of this shit. Okay. We got just to see what power. So maybe because I don't have the Variac, you could flicker. I mean, in theory, you're doing the same thing, not, identical, but if you flickered it, to let it, so we have a little life there. Have a little life there. Okay, so what would you recommend be the first step? I think we should just check the power, and I'm charging up the massage gun. Okay, so I don't know where to put the tablet. Okay, so yeah, I have removed the case, and in the future we'll just have so yeah, you don't want to work on it live. Okay, so let's just not only do that, but unplug it too, right? Okay, so we have this beast. So what do you guys recommend is the next step? I'm thinking it's got some stuff there. The power lit up. We could test the transformer and see if there's voltage there. I mean, that's like could just do that. Okay, so we got I know the capacitors can store some power. I know about those capacitors. So, because I just had it, where are this? The good caps. Here, let's look at the good caps on this one. Okay, so those will probably have the voltage on there. You would assume that those have the voltage on there. I mean, that's what I would assume. I would assume that since I powered it up, even though I powered it up, and and we had the light on, we did not have anything on the screen, so we want to fix this, want to restore this. You know, this is just junk. This was going to be junked. And this is amazing. Like, I mean, just the parts, but like, okay, this is a leader LBO 514A dual trace oscilloscope, 15 megahertz. Dual trace, leader is the company, and then the model number is LBO-514A, dual trace, and we could probably, it would be interesting to get some date codes off of this. So, let's see. All right. I got 41 week of 83. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a 1983. We're thinking this is a 1983 bitch. The 41st week of 1983 on those chips. So crazy. That's, oh my God, that's so, this was going into the dumpster. This is going into the dumpster. No. 1983. Wow. 1983. So, yeah, this is what you had in 1983. So, what do you guys think would be the appropriate thing for, on the transformer we've got 100 volt, 120, 0, 100, 120. So it looks like it just has like a dual feed for the 120 and the 100 volts. And then of course we got this over here. So what would be the first thing that we could do? Because I mean, I could just test. Oh, okay, so I peeled away this thing, and there's a bunch of capacitors under there. Of course, I'll show you guys. Yeah, look at all those capacitors under there. Wow. What? Hiding in plain sight. Hiding in plain sight. Yeah. Okay, so there's just little, they're little ones, but they could be 450 volts or, you know, they're all look identical. Okay, so maybe the best thing would be to take a toothbrush and isopropyl alcohol, and do you think that would be? Do you think I should clean it up first? Clean it up? Because, I mean, it has to be addressed. These things have to be addressed, and if there's a failure somewhere in here, oh, look at that. It's just really, really nice. So I want to get another date code. I want to get another date code on that. So it's not plugged in, you guys. It's not plugged in, but those capacitors were charged because I did turn it on. Yeah, that board looks nice. 1983. Wow, I'm going with 1983 on this. Wait, well, maybe there's something on the back. Let's investigate the back. Okay. Alright. I mean, we're working. You guys can help me in the comments. I mean, this is not the way it's supposed to go. I'm supposed to be like fixing it. I'm sorry, I'm just burping a bunch of times. Okay, so intensity module 10K approximate positive. There's no date code on there. Serial number. Line voltage. Okay, yeah, so maybe the best thing I should do is kind of just clean it out. Do you guys recommend that I take a toothbrush and isopropyl alcohol and start cleaning it out? Would that be so yeah, this is, you're helping me in the comments. We'll, you know, we won't take forever on this one because I have so many, I have so many other things, and let's just put this there. Let's just put it there. Put it there. Okay. Jesus. Okay, so I'm looking for the toothbrush for the thing. I think if we just disassemble it. Okay, so there's this project. That's one project that we have, okay? And then I do have, what was it? Where did it go? This is so crazy. Okay. What did I do with the other thing that I had? It wasn't this. It wasn't that. Oh, yeah. This. Okay. Yeah, I did put this one together. I just stepped on